My name is Taha,
And my name is Elena.
and today we're going to make slime.
And we're super excited. Like,
Yeah.
I should add
Yeah.
it. So, my color of slime is dark purple and it has glitter in it. And my activator is original.
My glue glitter is red, color red, and my
Activator
activator
is crunchy.
is crunchy. Yeah.
For slime, yeah, again. So, we're super excited. We haven't done this for a long time. So, yeah. What are we
Let's
waiting
go.
for? Yeah.
Number one.
Whatever we're waiting for.
Okay.
So first, we should pour the. Oh my god! How do we
Open it.
Oh, I opened.
Oh, I open it too. Okay. Really? Come. Give me. You can.
I'm so scared. I'm so excited.
Okay, let's.
And I have a medium bowl, and he has a big bowl.
Yeah.
Oh my god! I'm scared. I can't do this. I cannot.
You can. You can, sister. Come on.
You do it.
Come on.
I did it. I did it.
Uh,
It's time for the activators. We should pour them little by little and then mix after. And mix. So guys, now
It's
our
slime
is ready. Oh my god, I'm so happy.
okay. I'm so happy too. I'm so excited.
Guys, look how we spread. Oh my god. It's so good. Like, I'm the happiest person in the
I
world.
cut this off, and now you see. Yeah.
Look at mine. It's so glittery. It's like unicorn.
Look
I
at
like
mine. Look at
And
mine.
Yeah, and look at mine, please. And we
Look at
decided
mine.
we decided to half it, give each other's little piece, like half it, and we're going to both. So we have to. Sorry. So we have two new slimes. Like we have two slimes. It's so good. Just want to great.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at
Now
the
let's-
pizza. Look at the pizza.
Now let's play with it on the table. Oh, I have one of yours here. Come, baby. Come. Bye bye.
Now it's so. Whoa. That's like meat. Yeah. That's my slime like meat.
It's so satisfying.
Oh, look. That's like my slime likes meat.
Yeah.
Your slime like a chicken.
No.
And after I get a knife and cut my slime and show you.
I like it.
I
Oh
like
my
it.
god. Look at this. It's the little ball.
Look, Lena, look. That's mine.
Ooh. Can I have spaces starters? Can you take yours so I can stretch it?
Ooh.
Can you take it, please?
Yeah, can you scratch that?
No, can you just please? Can you just hold your slime and put it in another place. I want to stretch them. I don't want them to get combined.
I don't want anyone see my slime. It's so good.
I know that was like not good. Look at this fellow.
Look at these. Look at these. That's what it means. Yeah?
I have a bubble.
Look. Amazing.
Cool. It made a sound like. So. You want to play with mine? Yeah, I'm gonna have it for you, and then you have it for me.
Okay. Wow.
Please do not put on.
Okay, give me this.
Thank you. Can I play with yours for one sec?
Here.
Thank you. Oh my.
No problem.
Yeah, sorry.
This baby.
Okay. Their colors match. Look.